What can you do with tables in SAP Analytics Cloud? Let's explore hierarchies, pull in different properties, change our view around, and even add basic calculations. First things first, remember our More Actions button that every single object in SAC has. Let's start with an overlooked feature, which is expanding tables from a story view to a full screen view. This can often be a better way to sift through large amounts of data. When in full screen view, the More Actions button is still here at the top right of the screen, but you can also collapse back down to your story view at any time. The first feature we'll talk about is simply freezing our rows and our columns. Just like in Excel, you might want to do such a thing so that you can scroll up and down and left and right and still retain the headers to tell you what you're looking at. I'm next going to jump to the Show Hide section of our More Actions menu. In here, you can toggle off the grid view, the column and row headers, titles and subtitles, dimension headers themselves, and you can even suppress zeros and even null data cells in your rows or your columns. We'll next talk about what you can do when you right-click on a dimension header, like for our example here, the sales reps header. In here, you can set drill levels or change your hierarchy settings. You can sort alphabetically or numerically depending on the data. A big one is to set your display options for the dimensions descriptor, ID, or a concatenation of both. There's also a Show Hide option in your dimension headers where you can choose to show unbooked data, totals, and bring in additional columns to display properties of your dimensions. At the bottom of the dimension header menu, when we right-click, is just table functions, and this is going to show the exact same options that you see anytime you're also in the More Actions button. And what if you want to add your own on-the-fly calculations within your tables? You can do some of that too. If I highlight the two measure headers that I have here and right-click, I'll see an option called Add Client Calculation where I can include a sum, a subtract, multiply, divide, and percentage difference options as well. Let's take a look. This column is now a delta between my net revenue and my cost of goods. Different calculation options will show up depending on the data and how many columns you have selected. If I only right-click on one measure column, my calculation options are much different, including things like moving maximum values, accumulative sums, moving averages, and more. Remember, for on-the-fly calculations in your tables, right-click on your measure headers. All of these table interactions can be performed by anybody viewing a story with a table.